Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Lisa Simpson. So first let's get started with our right eye towards the top. And in the middle we're going to draw a nice big circle. Coming down towards the right, in the center we're going to draw in a small circle. For the eyelashes we're going to curve this line around and then up. We'll come down, replicate that, and then we'll do that again 2 more times. Now let's draw in the nose. So to the left of this, we're going to curve this line out, and then around, and then back up. And now behind this, we're going to draw in our left eye. So we're going to curve this line around, and then in towards our nose. And lining this up at the same height over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another circle. Let's draw in the eyelashes now. So we're going to curve this line around and then up, leaving an even amount of space, replicating that. We're going to need another even amount of space. And then one last time, curving that around and then in. Let's move down on a diagonal now, and we're going to draw in a curved line that arches around and then in for the ear. On top of this, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then in the middle, we're going to curve a small line that arches down. To the side of this, we're going to draw in a small curved line for the side of the mouth. And now let's come over to the left. Underneath the eye, we're going to curve this line out. Starting in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in, connecting that. And now for the lip, we're going to curve this line around and then in. In the center for the pearl necklace, we're going to draw in a circle. On either side of that, we're going to replicate that. And then again, one more time as we come out on the right-hand side. And then again on the left, curving this around and then in, connecting that on the left. For the neck now, from the ear, we're going to curve this line down. And from the lip on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a straight line. Now let's frame in the hair. So on the right-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in and then up. And we're going to come around and do this in a circle motion. So we're going to stretch this diagonal line out and then in. We'll make this one bigger, curving this out and then up. We'll bring this line out and then in. Again, we're going to start pointing this up towards the top of the page now. As we come in towards the center, we'll bring this directly up towards the top and then back down. We'll bring this out on the left. And then again, one more time, bringing this out and then in. Now moving underneath for the arm on the right, let's curve this line around and then in. And then underneath this, we're going to curve this line around and then out. For the bottom of the hand now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we're going to curve the rest of the line around and then in to close off the arm. For the dress, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes through, and then we'll extend this out on the right. To the left of this now, underneath this line, we're going to curve this line around and across just beside the necklace there. And then we're going to draw a small diagonal line as we step in towards the top. For the side of the dress on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then up. For the left arm, we're going to curve a small line that arches out towards the side. From the side of the necklace here, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's curve a small line that arches down towards the bottom. And then for the hand, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. Now let's draw in the pattern of the dress. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in on either side. We'll bring this diagonal line in and then back across towards the middle. We'll bring this down and then back up. Again, we'll bring this out and then in. Do this 2 more times. And then we're going to connect this to the left-hand side. Now let's draw in our right leg. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. On the inside, we're going to draw in another curved diagonal line, ending that on a diagonal. For the foot, we're going to curve this line around and then up. On the top, we're going to arch this line around and then down. On the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Stepping below this, we're going to replicate that. And then we're going to end this on a diagonal. Now let's move over towards the left. So we're going to draw in another curved line that arches down towards the bottom. We'll step up, we'll draw another line that comes down. We're going to arch this line around and then down for the foot. And now we'll curve this line around and then in. From the corner, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then we'll arch this line around and then in. Stepping over to the left, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Stepping over again, we'll replicate that. And then we'll close this off with a straight line. And that is it. That's how you draw Lisa Simpson. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.